So let's see one of the example of project crashing. So this is the example which is given. So activities are given, normal time are given in days, normal cost are given in rupees. So this is the crash time and this is the crash cost. And it is asking if overhead cost is rupees 900 per day, find the total cost of the project if the project duration is to be reduced to 8 days. So for project crashing, first of all, what you have to do, you have to find out that what is the cost slope and what is the maximum compression. So let's see how to find out what is the cost slope and maximum compression. Okay, so what is cost slope? So as you know, this cost slope, that is equal to crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. Okay, so what will be the cost slope for first activity 1 to 2? So for activity 1 it will be 1000 minus 500 divided by 2 minus 1, so that is equal to 500. So here it will be 500. Same for, let's look for this example. What will be the cost slope? So this is 1500 minus 750 divided by 2 minus 1, so this will be 750. Okay, and what will the maximum compression? So maximum compression is, this is the normal time and this is the crash time. So maximum compression is 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1, 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1, 6 minus 4 which is equal to 2. Like that you need to fill up all the values for cost slope and the maximum compression. So this is the cost slope for each activity and this is the maximum compression. Now what will be the next step? That you need to find out, you need to draw the network diagram first and then you need to find out which is the critical path and what is the project duration. So this is the network diagram. Okay, and what is the critical path? Okay, so let's write down all the paths here. So what is the first part? 1 to 2, 2 to 5. So this is one path. And what is the duration here? That is 3 plus 7 which is coming 10. What is the next path? 1, 2, 4, 5. Next path is 1, 4, 5 and another path is 1, 3, 4, 5. So for 1, 4, 5, 1 to 4, 4 to 5, what is the duration? 10. And next path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, what is the duration? So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 12. And the last path is 1 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. What is the duration? So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Now we found that this is the critical path and this is the project duration. So this project duration has to be reduced to 8 days. That is our question. But you will see that if we directly reduce it to 8 days, then what will be the project duration? Now the project duration will be 10 days. It's not 8 days because other paths will become the critical path, right? So what we have to do? Okay, so first of all, let's reduce this one not by 8 days but the 10 days so that it will remain the critical path. Okay, because if you reduce further, let's say 9 days, then this path will become critical. So you have to reduce maximum by 10 days. Okay, so we found out that okay, we need to reduce 2 days. This we found out from this path. But out of these critical activities, which is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5, which activity you need to reduce, right? So let's see here. If we are selecting 1 to 2, what is the cost slope? So 1 to 2 is cost slope is 500 and maximum compression can be 1 day only. We cannot directly compress it to 2 days because it is maximum compression is given. If it is not given, then we can reduce it by 2 days. Okay, so here cost slope is 500. Now the next activity is 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 has cost slope of 400, and it can be reduced to it can be reduced by 2 days. And the last is 4 to 5. So we have this 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. So which one has the lesser cost slope? That is this one, right? So reduce activity 2 to 4 by 2 days. Now here, can we reduce it by 3 days, or can we reduce it by 1 day? Yes, we can reduce it by 1 day. Okay, but in the next step again we'll find out that okay, we need to reduce it by one more day. So directly I have written here reduce activity 2 to 4 by 2 days. And what will be the extra cost? So for 1 day cost slope, so what is the unit of cost slope? That is cost per day, right? So if we are reducing it by 2 days, so multiplied by 2, so 400 into 2 is rupees 800. Okay, and can we reduce it by 3 days? Can we make it 2 here? No, we cannot make it 2, because first of all we will see it here, the maximum compression is 2 days. Let's say maximum compression is not given, then can we reduce it by 2 days? No, because from the other path the critical path will become 3 plus 7 10. So this, from the other part, the project duration will be 10 days. Okay, so if we reduce it by 3 days, this other path will become critical. So our project duration will be not 9 days, but it will be 10 days. Okay, so we can maximum reduce it by 2 days. Again, I am repeating, to compress any critical activity, you need to look at two places. One is maximum compression. Another one is you need to look at that when other path is becoming critical. Okay, so this was the first step, that okay, reduce activity 2 to 4 by 2 days. So now here it will be, not 5, but it will become here 3, right? So here in maximum compression, because we cannot compress it further, already we have reduced it to 0. We have reduced by 2 days, so we cannot compress further. And this is our new network diagram. Okay, now you will see that there are three paths which are critical paths. One is this 1 2 5, 3 plus 7 10. Another one is 1 4 5, 6 plus 4 10, and one more is 1 2 4 5, which is 10. And the last path is 1 3 4 5, and duration is 8. So now we have three critical paths. So as I have mentioned in the procedure, that when there are more than one critical path, then you have to reduce the critical activities from the all the critical paths simultaneously. So what does it mean? Okay, so if you reduce only critical activity from this path, will it reduce project duration? No, because project duration is 10 and this path is not getting reduced, right? So you have to select from all three, and then you can reduce the project duration. So here we will see what are the alternatives which we have. So let's see what are these three paths. So one is this one, another one is this one, 1 4 5, and the last one is 1 2 4 5. So we have three critical paths. So let's see what are the options we have. How can we reduce project duration further? So we can do one thing, we can just cut this one and write 2. Okay, so and other thing which we can do, we can reduce this one by 5. Can we reduce this 1 to 2? Yes, we can reduce this by 1 day. Can we reduce this 1 to 4? Yes, we can reduce this. Okay, so what will be the project duration now? So 2 plus 7 9, 2 plus 3 plus 4 9, and 5 plus 4 9. Okay, so this is one alternative. So we will write the alternatives. First is reducing 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 by 1 day each. What will be the extra cost? So look at the extra cost, or the cost low for 1 to 2. So for 1 to 2 it is 500, and for 1 to 4 it is 600. So 500 plus 600, 1100. So this was the one option which we can do. We can reduce 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 by 1 day each. Is there any other options do we have? Is there any other options? Let's see. So we can do one thing. We can reduce this one here. From 3 we can reduce this to 2, and we can reduce this we cannot reduce further, so this is not an option. Why we cannot reduce? Because already 2 to 4 it is 0, so we cannot reduce it further. Just leave this one. Okay, is there any other option? Yes, we can reduce this one from 4 to 3, and we can reduce this one from 7 to 6, right? So this is one more alternative. This is the third alternative here. We can reduce 2 to 5 and 4 to 5 by 1 day each. What is the extra cost? So for 2 to 5, the extra cost is 300, and for 4 to 5, extra cost is 700. So what is the total extra cost? 1000. Is there any other alternatives? So we have seen here that we have taken two alternatives, this one and this one. So what is the next alternative? As I have already proceeded to the next alternative, so reducing 1 to 2, so this one 1 to 2 by 1 day, and 4 to 5 by 1 day, so this will be 3, right? So this is one more alternative. Then write down what are the extra cost. So for 1 to 2 it is 500, and for 4 to 5 it is 700. So 500 plus 700, 1200. So these are the three alternatives. But which one we need to select out of these three alternatives? Which one you need to select, right? So whichever has the minimum cost slope, extra cost, right? Which is this one. So we will not select this one. We will not select this one. This is the extra cost. This is the minimum extra cost. So we will select this alternative. Okay. Now since we have taken 2 to 4 and 4 to 5, we have reduced it by 1 day each. Now this is the maximum compression, and this is our new network diagram. And what are the paths we have and the project duration? So first is 1 2 5, 3 plus 6 9. Another one is 6 plus 3 9, which is 145, and 1 2 4 5. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 9, and the last path is 1 3 4 5, and 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. Again there are three critical paths, so we need to reduce all three critical paths simultaneously. Again we will look for alternatives, right? So let's look for alternatives. What alternative do we have? Can we reduce this one? Since we cannot reduce this one, this is already maximum compression. 2 to 4 is 0, so we cannot reduce this one. 2 to 5, so 2 to 5 we cannot reduce this one, and 3 to 4 we cannot reduce. So 3 to 4, this one we cannot reduce. Okay, so apart from these critical activities, which is 2 to 5 and 2 to 4, we can reduce other activities, other critical activities. So what we can do, we can reduce this one by 1 day, and we can reduce this one by 1 day. So this is one alternative, right? So reducing 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 by 1 day each, right? And what will the extra cost? So again look at the cost slope. So 1 to 2 is 500, and 1 to 4 is 600. So this is 1100. Is there any other options? Is there any other options? Okay, so other option is we can reduce this one by 1 day, and we can reduce this one by 1 day, right? So the other option is reducing 1 to 2 and 4 to 5 by 1 day each. What will be the extra cost? So 1 to 2 500, and 4 to 5 is 700. So total extra cost is 1200. Is there any other alternatives? No, there is no any other alternatives, right? Okay, so in these two alternatives we will need to select one whichever has the lesser extra cost. So this one. Okay, so our next diagram will be network diagram will be this one, and from here you will see the critical path is 1 2 5, project duration is 6 plus 2 8, other critical path 1 4 5, when project duration is 5 plus 3 8, other critical path 1 2 4 5, project duration 2 plus 3 plus 3 8, and this is the non-critical path which is 7, right? Now our project has been reduced to 8 days, so our job is done. We need to find out what is the total cost. Okay, so how to find out total cost? So already we know fixed cost is 6600, right? Because we have seen in our, what is this fixed cost? Let me go through there. So here, if you add all the normal cost, that is the fixed cost, which is 6600, right? Okay, now let's calculate all the extra cost. So what is the extra cost? So extra cost is this 800 plus this 1800 plus 1000 and this 1100. So 800 plus 1000 plus 1100. So here our fixed cost is 6600, which is the sum of all the normal costs, extra cost 800 plus 1000 plus 1100, and already in the question it was given overhead cost, which was 900 per day. So now the project duration is 8, so 900 into 8. So when you calculate the total cost, it is 16,700. I guess you have understood that why do we do this project crashing and how to reduce the project duration. Okay, we will see some more examples in the next video.